Hello students, today we will study a very interesting chapter of geography, the interiors of the earth. Have you ever wondered what lies below the surface of the earth? Is there a rock or something in liquid? Today we'll study the interior of the earth, that is, what is inside the surface of the earth. Earth was formed around 5 billion years ago. At that time, Earth was a molten ball of rock. When it cooled down, the heavy materials sank down and light material floated up. The lighter material that floated up formed the crust that we see. We can relate the interior of the earth like an onion with several layers one inside the other. The earth is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is a thin outermost layer. The innermost part is called the core, and the part between the crust and the core is called the mantle. There is increase in temperature, pressure, and density as we move from the surface to the interiors of the earth. Let us discuss each layer of the earth in detail. The crust. The crust is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is the thinnest among the three layers. The crust is just 1% of the volume of the earth. The crust itself has two layers, that is the upper crust and the lower crust. The upper crust is also known as shell. It mainly consists of minerals silica and aluminium. The lower crust makes up the ocean floor. It is a continuous layer of denser rock. The lower crust is also known as sigma. It is made up of minerals silica, iron, and magnesium. The thickness of upper crust that makes up the continent is around 35 to 70 kilometers, while the thickness of the lower crust that makes up the ocean is around 5 to 7 kilometers. The next layer of the earth is mantle. The layer just below the crust is the mantle. It is approximately 2900 km thick. The mantle is further divided into two layers, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is a thin, stiff layer. It is mainly made up of minerals, silica, iron, and magnesium. From the bottom of the crust, it has depth of around 300 kilometers. When the upper mantle ends, the lower mantle extends around 300 kilometers to 2900 kilometers. It is a zone of mixed minerals. The temperature here is high to about 3000 degrees Celsius. In the lower mantle, the material is semi-solid. The molten material in the lower mantle is called magma. The magma flows out as a lava during the volcanic eruptions. The third and the innermost layer of the earth is the core. The depth or the radius of the core is about 3500 kilometers. The core is further divided into upper core and inner core. The upper core is 2300 km thick and the inner core is 1200 km thick. The upper core is hot and molten, that is liquid core. The lower core is hotter than the upper core, but it is under extreme pressure, so it remains solid. The temperature in the core is hotter than that of the sun's surface.